Trying to join a Discord video call, but your camera just won't work. Whether your webcam shows a black screen, isn't detected, or refuses to start, this issue can be frustrating. The good news is that most Discord camera problems are easy to fix. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most effective solutions. First, make sure your camera is properly connected. If you're using an external webcam, unplug it and reconnect it. For built-in cameras, verify that the device is enabled and not physically blocked or disabled. Next, open your system's privacy settings and make sure camera access is enabled. Also verify that Discord has permission to use your camera. Without the proper permissions, Discord won't be able to access the webcam. Only one application can sometimes use the camera at a time. Close video conferencing apps, streaming tools, browser tabs, or recording software that may be using your webcam in the background. Open Discord settings and navigate to voice and video. Under the camera section, confirm that the correct webcam is selected. If multiple cameras are connected, try switching between them and testing the preview. If the camera still isn't working, check for webcam driver updates and make sure Discord is fully updated. Software updates often include fixes for compatibility issues and bugs. As a final step, try disabling hardware acceleration in Discord settings. Restart the application afterward and test the camera again. You know, this simple change can sometimes solve stubborn camera problems, and that's how to fix Discord camera not working issues. By checking permissions, closing conflicting apps, and updating your software, you can usually restore camera access in just a few minutes. So yeah, hopefully you're back on video calls without any problems. Thanks for watching.